It was a beautiful day on the South Director's Railway. The sun was shining, the birds were singing, and all the engines were feeling cheerful. All except Tom.
Not fair. All we do is shop for the and I don't get any thanks for it.
But the big engines did not care. Yup, yup, yup. Groan, groan, groan. It's just the way little Tommy goes. Eventually, the big engines decided to play tricks on Tom.
Has anyone seen my...
But even that got tiring.
You big engines are really disrespectful. You know that? When will you realize that I'm essential to the railway?
Oh, shut up. You talk too much.
You won't let it call at all.
Eventually, the big engine started to complain to who else but the stout director. I tell you that Tom engine is a nuisance. Couldn't you get a tank engine that isn't annoying or stupid or whiny or...
All right, that's enough. Fine. If it bothers you that much, I will find a replacement.
The next day, Yandel and Rob got up extra early to the big station so they could figure out how to trick Tom again. To their shock, there was a multitude of tank engines of all different shapes and sizes.
These engines will be trialed in the yard. You all will pick the winner to be the new shunter from now on.
We must spread the news around. Get this in the papers. Soon, the news spread around about the new shunters. And especially around Tom.
They can't replace me. I'm the only one around here that knows how to shunt.
What will you do now, Tom?
I'll leave them. And if that's how they feel, then I have no business being here.
No, Tom. Please, don't go.
Sorry, Jamie. But if that's what they want, that's what they get.
Meanwhile, things at the big station were out of control.
Has anyone seen the brake coach? The idiot with the brake vans and brake coaches swapped.
Oh, I'm stuck.
I'm not supposed to even be here. Oh no.
Yeah, me too.
The changes are getting aggressive. Ah!
Doug, don't mind us folks. We're not in for the competition. We're just for chaos.
What's going on out there? It's like World War II.
My train ready. Never mind, I'll come back later.
If only there was a shunter with 6 small wheels, a short stumpy funnel, a short stumpy spoiler, and a short stumpy dome who could fix this.
Wrong engine. But step aside, actually. Get a real shunter handle this.
Before you knew it, Tom was busy sorting out coaches and trucks. He organized the tankers by color, put the brake coach and brake van to their correct spots, and had Harrison's train already at the platform, just in time.
Phew. Nothing to it.
Tom, you never cease to amaze me. Thanks for your help.
That was incredible work, Tom. Well done. Now I'll finish eating my burgers.
Just then, Jamie showed up unexpectedly.
Don't leave, Tom. Don't leave.
What do you mean, leave?
You all wanted a new shunter for the yard, so I'm leaving somewhere else.
Oh no, Tom, don't go. We didn't really mean it. You really are a hard worker, even if you are 2 seconds late, but you're still really useful.
We're sorry we teased you. Don't leave, Tom. Don't leave.
Don't leave!
Alright. I was only joking. I wasn't really going to leave. You all obviously need a shunter around here.
After the tank engines went away, Tom went back to shunting trains to the big engines. They sometimes still tease him as usual, but they never forget to say thank you, for they know that there's no better shunter than Tom. At least on the Stout Directors Railway, that is.